To create a new team member in Kartra, when you come into the dashboard area, top right you'll see your profile picture, click the arrow and select team members. If you don't already have any team members set up, you'll see some graphics on this page. We already have some team members added, so that's why you can see a list of those. You'll notice that you have tabs here, team members and member roles. So you can, if you wanted to, go into member roles, and bottom right you can select to create a new role. So if it's a virtual assistant, for example, you can type in here virtual assistant and then select what access they have in Kartra. Usually with your virtual assistant, you may want to leave this section off here because you may not need them to receive email notifications. You may not want them to be able to add new team members, for example, and things like that. Some virtual assistants will require those settings as well. So, but the majority, most of the things here, you will probably leave that on with most virtual assistants that are really hands-on with your Kartra account. But obviously you can turn on and off any particular things that you want. So you can create a role initially, but what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cancel this. What I'm going to do is just go back to team members, and I'm just going to create a new team member. And if I put in, you can select that role here. So obviously if you create the role first, you can just select it here. What I'm going to do is just show you that you can actually create that role from this side. So you can select create new role and put in, for example, virtual assistant, give them full access, and then create. You're going to type in their username, so you would normally put their name in there, and then you will put in their first and last name here, and then an email. And then create a password for them. And if you have this box selected here, ticked, when you click create, that will send your virtual assistant or the other team member their login credentials and access to your Kartra. So as soon as you've done this, they will receive an email and they'll be able to access your Kartra account.